Hey guys, today I'm doing a DIY strawberry scented slime, and I really think you're going to enjoy it. I came up with this recipe all by myself, and if you see this during the video, like it's all smushy and it's going down a little bit, that's because there's a piece of plastic on top of a robe because I wanted a really cute background to make this video on. So first off, we're going to need a bowl, some baking soda, some strawberry hand sanitizer. That's the only one I could find. Some contact solution, and store-bought slime. It doesn't have to be store-bought, but it's going to need to be hard and pink. And you're going to need some glue, of course. So first you're going to need your bowl, and you're going to need to pour some glue in. You can add as much as you want. I'm just eyeballing, and it doesn't really matter. I don't think it matters. It might matter to you. You can always look up another recipe or something if you want to know how, like just a regular slime recipe, if you want to know how much to add. So what we're going to need to do, secondly, is we're going to need to add some baking soda. And you never want to add too much baking soda because it can make it really wet and not stretchy whatsoever, and it just not feel good to play with. So never add too much. So we're not going to stir it up just yet. We're going to add our strawberry hand sanitizer. Mine has these little blue balls in it, and that's okay. It doesn't really show up. So we're going to need to add a lot of it. You don't have to add as much as I'm adding, but this is going to act as our water, like we would usually add water, but this is going to be our water, but it's not water. I don't know how to explain it. So also, I forgot to say lotion. You're going to need some lotion. You don't have to add lotion, but I just did, just so it made the slime a little smoother and a little more stretchy, and just a little more fun. Or I know funner is not a word, but I don't know. So I'm not going to add paint or food coloring just because you can't see it on camera, but it actually turned into a really pretty pink. And it looks white, but you have to trust me here because it looked so pretty. So when you're done mixing that all up, you're going to take your clear pink slime. Remember, it doesn't have to be hard, but this is just to add texture and for it to be just a little more unique. And I'm breaking mine apart right now. You don't have to, but when you start to mix it up, it turns into this really weird like glob. Like right here, it turns like back into slime almost. I wouldn't recommend this for making slime again. Like you shouldn't take a hard slime and try to do this to make slime again, because it just turns all clumpy and nasty. But that's okay because when we add our eye contact solution, it won't be like that anymore, and it'll just give it a little unique texture. And I realize that doesn't really have to be pink, but when you stretch it, it looks a little better for the hard slime to be pink, just so it looks unique. So I'm adding, or I added my contact solution already. And in the beginning, it's okay if you add a little too much, or not too much, but it's okay if you add a little much. But when it starts to get sticky and all globby like right now, you should never add way too much. You want to go really slow because just one more little dash of contact solution could ruin your slime completely and make it all hard. So right now mine's a little watery, so I added like a few more dashes of contact solution. I know I'm saying dashes, but I don't know a better word for it. So here is it all finished. And yes, I'm mixing with a pen because I couldn't find anything else to mix with. So you're going to want to knead it now. You don't have to. You could always put it in your container right now and just let it sit for a while. But I like to knead mine. It will be a little sticky at first, but that's okay because the more you play with it, the more it will not be sticky anymore. So I really wish you could see the pretty pinkness of it, but it just didn't turn out so pink. So if you want to, you can make it pink. And that's the end for this video. I was trying to do like an ASMR with the little headphones on the earbuds, but then I realized that my earbuds were broken. I realized and I knew that this was an old pair, and I knew these weren't going to work, but I was just trying to test something out. So I really hope you enjoy this. Consider subscribing and liking and commenting if you want to see more slime videos. And I'll see you all later.
Smelly-Doh.